if you're still washing your car with a bucket and sponge, you're not just wasting time, you're scratching your paint. The secret to a swirl-free, professional-level wash lies in the foam cannon. This isn't just a fun gadget, it's a vital tool that covers your vehicle in a thick, lubricating layer of soap, safely lifting dirt before you ever touch the paint. Product number 1. Tool Daily Foam Cannon with 1/4 inch quick connector. Experience Tool Daily Foam Cannon with 1/4 inch quick connector. Adjustable snow foam lance with 1/4 inch quick connection fitting. Not fit garden hose, water hose, or your faucet directly. Container capacity 1 liter, 0.22 gallon. Specification 1000 psi to 3000 psi. Easy to install. Fill some soap into the bottle with warm water to get thick foam. Then connect 1/4 inch quick connection plug to pressure washer gun or wand. Finally, adjust the knob on the top to desired foam level, and then foam sprayer will disperse thick foam. The knob adjusts the foam dispensing amount, and the nozzle adjusts the sprinkle pattern. Adjustable snow foam lance with 1/4 inch quick connection fitting. Not fit garden hose, water hose, or your faucet directly. Product number 2. Tool Daily Foam Cannon with dual connector accessory. Experience Tool Daily Foam Cannon with dual connector accessory. Specifications: adjustable snow foam lance with 1/4 inch quick connect fitting. Attention: not fit garden hose, water hose, or your faucet directly. Must connect it to a pressure washer to use. Container capacity 1 liter, 0.22 gallons. Working pressure 1000 to 3000 psi. Max flow rate 8 GPM. Max water temperature 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to use. Features an adjustable nozzle for precise foam generation and mixing. Product number 3. Astro AI Foam Cannon Experience. Astro AI Foam Cannon. Please note, this product is equipped with a 1/4 inch quick connection plug. Please check your pressure washer connector before buying, as some connectors are not suitable. The degree of dilution of the cleaner will affect the foaming performance. We recommend using cleaning solutions without wax components to prevent clogging the cartridge. Note, cannot be used with any garden hose. Wide mouth foam cannon. Pour soap liquid to bottle easily, no waste. Our design has an extra wide neck to prevent that problem. Heavy-duty foam core makes foam more dense and thick. Product number 4. Swift Jet Car Wash Foam Gun plus Microfiber Wash Mitt. Foam cannon works with any soap. Garden hose car wash foam sprayer. Car wash kit. Car accessories foam blaster. Orange foam gun with mitt. Experience Swift Jet Car Wash Foam Gun plus Microfiber Wash Mitt. Foam cannon works with any soap. Garden hose car wash foam sprayer. Car wash kit. Car accessories foam blaster. Orange foam gun with mitt. Car Pro's secret. Every car professional knows that using a car wash foam helps to carry dirt particles and grime gently away from paint or chrome surfaces, avoiding harmful scratching. The Swift Jet Foam Washing Gun turns any car wash into a foaming bubble party, keeping your paintwork and chrome bling intact. Product number 5. Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon. Experience Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon. Attention, not fit garden hose, water hose, or your faucet directly. Pressure washer gun has M22 fittings, compatible with both M22 14mm and M22 15mm fitting. M22-14mm fitting is compatible with Generac, Simpson, Brix Stratton, Craftsman, Karcher, Ryobi pressure washers. M22-15mm fitting is compatible with Sunjo, Campbell, MITM, AR Blue, Stanley, Clean Force, Simonize, Excel power washers must use with a pressure washer hose.
If your pressure washer hose has an M22 14mm fitting with 14mm inside diameter, please connect the gun to your hose directly